Here are some best practices for using data analytics and healthcare informatics within a health information management (HIM) department. Number 1. Clear objectives. Define specific goals for using data analytics and informatics in the HIM department. This could include improving data accuracy, optimizing workflows, enhancing patient outcomes, or supporting decision-making. Number 2. Data quality management. Prioritize data accuracy, completeness, and consistency. Implement data quality checks and corrections to ensure reliable insights. Number 3. Electronic health records, EHR, management. Optimize the use of electronic health records, ensuring accurate and up-to-date patient information is available to healthcare providers. Number 4. Workflow analysis. Analyze HIM workflows to identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and opportunities for automation. Use data analytics to streamline processes. Number 5. Clinical documentation improvement, CDI. Leverage data analytics to identify gaps in clinical documentation, leading to improved coding accuracy and reimbursement. Number 6. Coding and billing optimization. Use analytics to monitor coding and billing practices, reducing errors and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. Number 7. Health data analytics tools. Implement appropriate analytics tools and software to facilitate data analysis, visualization, and reporting. Number 8. Predictive analytics. Utilize predictive analytics to forecast trends, patient needs, and resource requirements, supporting proactive decision-making. Number 9. Interdisciplinary collaboration. Collaborate with clinicians, IT professionals, and administrators to ensure the integration of HIM data into broader healthcare strategies. Number 10. Performance metrics. Develop key performance indicators, KPIs, to track the effectiveness of HIM processes and interventions, using data to drive improvements. Number 11. Data visualization. Create clear and meaningful visualizations that help communicate insights to stakeholders, making complex data more accessible. Number 12. Change management. Implement changes resulting from data analytics insights gradually, providing necessary training and support to staff. Remember that data analytics and informatics can significantly enhance HIM practices, leading to improved patient care and operational efficiency. However, maintaining a balance between data-driven decision-making and ethical considerations is essential in a healthcare context.